This is the Chausson V697 Roadline Premium camper van. This will cost 61,220. It is obviously, it's a Le Long Fiat Ducato, so 636 centimeters in length, and it's the new Fiat Ducato as well. So I'll have a look at the cockpit on my way out. It's got a table here which comes in three sizes: small, medium and large. Forward facing bench as they've all got. It's got the same cooker. No, not quite actually, this is a new one, so these are relatively well spaced out. That's not bad for a van of this size. And it's got a molded sink, which is quite nice, and it's something that the owners of Chausson are now putting in a number of vehicles. Here we've got a fridge, which is great for keeping things cold when it's working, and when it's not working, it's not great for keeping things cold. And down below we have got what could be in here. Looks to me like a wardrobe, as you get with nearly all camper vans in this position. This one here has got this German layout at the back, which is great if you're tall, and is also handy if you want to store things under the bed, such as in there. Another feature of camper vans now increasingly, in fact I think just about everybody offers this these days, is that the bed can be dismantled. And if you dismantle the bed, you can then put it up to one side like that and use all of this space down here for carrying things such as cages with rare animals which are taking to the zoo. Storage here and at the back and around. Mattress seems to, oh, I don't know if it's any good or not. Hard to say. Oh, and here we've got the shower. Looks as though somebody's already been using it, and got a duct board in there. There's a toilet around here as well, which I might be able to get to. There you go, there's the toilet. These plastic things here, in my opinion, just make the place look really cluttered. And that's why, one of the reasons I don't like them. I don't think they're effective, and they tend to get broken. I know that because people tell me they own the things that they get broken. So I would just rip it out, or not put it in the first place, and not charge the client for having it. Right, down here we've got USBs, storage around there, around the side, storage there. And this is the 2022 version of the Fiat Ducato. You've got all these controls now within the steering wheel itself, and a completely new look with the screen. Indeed, the screen, you can even get a bigger screen. Well, it will be available. It's not available yet, but it will be. It looks, I think, much cleaner than in the previous versions, probably because somebody's cleaned it. It's more accessible, it's better thought out. The steering wheel has been made smaller, and it's in an automotive form. And another thing is the new logo, and I'm going to take you around to see the Fiat new logo, which I think is pretty good. Anyway, before I do that, that's a kitchen extension, and you can store things in there if you want to. If you don't want to, there's no extra charge for not storing things in there. Take you around and show you this. There you go. Oh, I can't show you the new Fiat Ducato logo because I haven't got one. I've got a Chausson one, which is an old one. Oh well, it's the thought that counts, and I really wanted to, but couldn't. Anyway, so these obviously come in three sizes: small, medium and large, 541, 599 and 636, as do all camper vans, or just about. Just one or two that don't. Here, so you got a bit of storage in there. How can I compare the camper vans? People ask me this question. Well, to be quite honest, it's more or less what you want. This one looks exactly the same as the Challenger one because they're made in the same factory. and by the same people. So that depends if you want the Chausson logo or you want another one. That depends. On the other hand, others within the same company, they depends on the style. You could go for Carmen Mobile or something like that, or Euromobile or Mobile Veta Design. Well, there are differences in prices, but depends what you like, you know, colors, this type of thing. There's not going to be much difference, if anything, in the camper van. Now, most of my knowledge is based on what people tell me, in fact, people with experience. So if people get a van and then they complain, I mightn't take it seriously. But if another person comes along and says the same things, take it a bit more seriously. And when the third person says the same things, then I begin to take it seriously. So that's largely how I see things. Right, that one there's V697, which I think the other one was. Here, we'll have a look at this one here. Also claims to be premium. And this thing here is the V690 Roadline at a cost of €64,000. I like the skylight up there. I like that one, which is blocked because it's got the light in it to make this seem bigger. And what this has got is clever is this at the back here. This is a bed which will go up and down. Very useful, and you can control it from both sides. Won't work now because the key's not in it, so I'll just press that. You see, doesn't work, need the key. You got to step up to the bed and another step here should you have the bed up really high. And this bit here can be removed, as can the bottom bit if you want to be carrying stuff. This here is exactly the same, only in this case the plastic bit has been put to one side, making it easier for me to see into it. I'll take you around the back of this one. See it from there. Right, got Natasha. Natasha, do you want to say something?
It was really the best fair.
It was this fair, okay.
Yes.
Great, okay. That's Natasha from Slovenia, who does a brand called Phantom, and you can see that in other videos, although her vans are a bit more, how should I put it, bit more pricier, bit more unusual, and bit more quality. Right, he also, this is a good thing, you press this thing here as well, and that'll go up there if you've got the key in the side. I think that's a great layout. That was introduced for the 2021 season, and now throughout the Trigano range, not just Trigano's, other companies doing, even small company like Robetta is also doing that. Really nice idea. Okay, good. So as you heard, this was the best fair ever, and not surprised really though now. There's so much demand for motorhomes that, you know, even your dog could put one together and it'll be sold immediately. So great, thanks very much for watching. This is Chausson 636 centimeter long Fiat Ducato based camper vans, and this is the 2022 range. I am in Dusseldorf Caravan Salon. This is the 2021 version of the event. I think that's all I can tell you. So thanks for watching, and this is me in Germany signing out.